combination ballet runway walk there. Let your shoulders relax. Good. Squeeze. Good. So a slight curve here in your thoracic lumbar. And so your pain is, oh, don't tell me yet. And your little warm up here in this thoracic. This left shoulder blade. Tender? Which one? This one? Or this one?
That one.
Okay, left or right?
Left.
You knew that you had this curvature?
Yeah.
You're a little rotated. This is coming back just a little bit, but not bad. Okay, let's do the motion. Let's lean back into my fingers. Good range. Is that tender?
A little bit.
Tender?
Yeah. Okay.
Crest here, L4, L5. Back into here. Pain?
Yes.
Pain? Right, let's try the right side on ease. Pain?
Not really.
Pain?
A little bit.
Pain. Going up. Let's see what the lumbar say. Okay, come back. Tender?
Yeah.
Tender? Open? Good. Okay, so this one's dipping. This one's normal, and this one's just lagging just a little bit behind. And when I do this, I can feel how your sacrum is tilted just a little bit that way, responding to this curvature here. Okay. March in place. You're getting closer to the window.
Oops.
That's okay. Good, keep going. Okay, you're gonna feel my fingers onto your glute maximus, okay? Okay, we're gonna look at the butt cheeks now. So we've got the right one is lower and the left one is higher, which means the left one is rotated forward, is anterior superior, left one posterior inferior. The left one is flat and the right is more rounded, which means the right has gone externally rotated and the left has gone internally rotated. All right, looking at the feet first. Left external rotation. Walk back towards that way. Does it on both sides. It's worse on the left. That's some ballet training right there, isn't it? All right, go all the way down to the cooler. I'm gonna see you take more steps. Very bouncy with your walking. Come back this way. Look at that's almost third position right there, even on the turn.
Yeah, I do.
All right, come back this way.
I don't mean to.
The ballet feet. Okay. All right, go back the other way again. We're gonna do a couple more. Look at the hips. Now, there's definitely an asymmetry there. The right side comes straight up. Come this way. This is the curvature in your spine. You can see the right side hip coming up a little bit further, and the left side kind of stays flat. Okay, go turn around again. I just want to watch your shoulders now. It's like a combination ballet runway walk there. Okay, keeping your knee straight, lift this leg in the air.
Full leg.
And down. Okay.
I know. I can follow directions, I swear.
It's okay. Okay, relax. Right. Down. Left. Down. Down. Okay. Tender?
Yeah.
Tender?
Not as much.
More here. Good, let your hips relax. Good. Okay, down. A little bit. Go down. Perfect. Okay. Tender?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna follow your breath, and then as you breathe out, we're just gonna give a little push like that, okay? Okay, nice. Soft breath in through your nose, and out through your mouth. How's that pressure, okay? And out. shoulders relax. Good. Okay, let the shoulders relax.
Sorry.
It's okay. Lay on your side, this side up, face me over here. Okay. Yeah, unblink. Okay, let's adjust this AS here. Nice gentle breath in and out. Okay. So we're gonna do a push. Pisces form. Good, nice soft breath in and out. Good, let your shoulders relax. Let your hips relax and come down this way. All the way. Okay, back to center. Now to the left. Center. Bring your right ear down to your right shoulder. Center. Left ear, left shoulder. There it is. Okay. Balance. Okay, so I'm going to adjust your neck first. Hold on, let's do a couple things here. Let your head drop into my hands here. Try not to hold it. Let me do all the work, okay?
Sorry.
You don't have to apologize so much.
I will though.
You feel that? You feel how like fluid, movements.
Yeah.
Now you're... Here's what we're going to do, nice and gentle, honey. So I'm going to bring you over to the side like this, and then we're going to kind of push in that direction, okay?
Okay.
Okay, it's going to be super gentle.
Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why I laughed.
Drop. If I move you to the left, drop.
Okay.
You're doing great. I know you like to control things.
Yeah.
So it helps a little bit if you close your eyes and then just breathe softly in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good. Now let your head drop. Good. Let your shoulders drop. Good.
Yay.
Similar. What I'm going to do is bring you over to this side like this. Let your head drop. And let it go. Let it drop. Let it drop. No. Let it go.
I'm trying.
It's okay. Breathe through your nose. Good. See, whenever you concentrate on your breath, then you let it go because you're controlling your breath and not your neck. Good. Loosey-goosey here. Let your shoulders relax. Good.
Like it would always been super cold, like when I was really little and had puppies and would go sleep with my mother. She'd like freak out if my foot touched her. Fun fact about me.
Toes are so tiny. I can't grip them. Too small. Let your shoulders relax. Good. More. Good.
I have a reoccurring dream that someone cuts into my arm and it's just wires. It's scary.
Squeeze. Relax. Relax your shoulders. Squeeze. Good. Relax. Relax. Look straight ahead. Good. Okay, lean forward just a little bit. I'm going to reach around the front here. Just let this go. Loosey-goosey. Let this go. Good. Good. Same thing. I'm going to reach around here. Okay, let your shoulders relax. Good. Let this go. Loose. Let your shoulders go.